Good morning. It's like 10 o'clock, but we woke up at 7 and then just kind of fell right back asleep. So yes, we did. So now I've got to go get... Yeah? So now I've got to go wake up Leah. And, Baba? Leah? Leah? Good morning. You want breakfast? Oh, come on. Shelby says get up.
Oh no! My neck died.
So I got this stuff prepared. The red spoon's gonna be Thomas's, or orange. Oh. So we're finally up and rolling. Messy face Bumble. Oliver likes the rice cereal a little bit more, and Thomas likes the oatmeal a little bit more. So, but I try and get them both to eat a little bit of both. So, and Leah's in the kitchen eating her Cheerios. Boys are screaming. Leah's getting a bath. It's a good day. All right, come here, Leah. Let's brush that hair. I'm just going to leave it down today. You almost done?
Yeah. Yeah.
Stick your tongue out.
Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome, Mommy. Mommy's going to get herself ready now. It's already like, gotta jump over the gate. It's already like 1 o'clock. Our day goes really slow some days, other days it runs a lot faster. But I got the boys' toothbrushes out because I need to brush their teeth still. And they're still covered in cereal, so I gotta brush their teeth and wipe them off. I try to get everybody's teeth brushed like at least once a day. So, here we go. Ollie, you gonna get your teeth brushed? This is fluoride-free toothpaste, so if they eat it, it's okay. So Thomas and Oliver are gonna have some sliced pears for lunch, and Leah's gonna have a peanut butter and jelly with some sliced pears for lunch as well. So Leah's eating her food.
Mommy, can I have a sandwich?
You want a sandwich too?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to make Leah just like a half sandwich just because we're going to eat dinner at 4 and it's 1 now, and if I fill her up a lot now, she's not gonna really want to eat dinner.
Go see in the fridge.
And she wants me to make these chocolate chip muffins, so I'll probably end up making those today too. I got the TV on. No. Got the TV on. I got the boys each a bottle of water over there. Because I'm really trying to So instead of watching Netflix, they're just going to keep turning on and off the Xbox because that's a game to them. Leah's asking to go outside and it's storming out there. Look at that. No, you cannot go outside when it's storming. And then Bumbo's sitting there playing with his bottle. Oh, look at him go.
Mommy, just stop.
It's time to go wake up. It's time to go wake up Daddy. Thomas is breastfeeding. He's almost asleep though. It's not storming, but it's gonna start up again. We ordered pizza and stuff like that. So